Hello there, I'm Angela from artorai.co.uk. Welcome to my channel. This time it's going to be a very quick video. We're going to get straight into it. It's just, as you can see, it's a very simple card making tutorial. And what we're going to be doing is this little torn paper border here, as you can see on both of them. Very, very easy to make. You just take some scrap paper. First of all, decide the size that your card is going to be. This is going to be the part that's going to be inked. So your scrap paper just needs to be wider than that. So all you need to do is literally tear it towards you like that. Decide how wide you want the border to be, and then tear it again. Once you've done that, you just need to set it in the middle of your page, or wherever you want. You could have it up there, you could have it down there. It doesn't have to be in the middle. This is your project. But we do need to stick this down. I'm going to use some masking tape. Doesn't have to be straight, it all depends on the look that you're after. Right, the colours I'm going to be using today are green and yellow. So whichever one you're going to use first, take out your blending brush. These inks are not brilliant for blending. I have actually ordered some more ink pads, some brand new ink pads from Stampin' Up. I'm really excited for them getting here. I might have an unboxing video actually, because some of the stuff I've ordered is really good. But anyway, I'm just going to use these for now. You're probably going to end up with big splotches everywhere, but never mind. So, oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah, you do need to keep hold of your paper, that's a good idea. So, just keep blending and blending and blending. I'm just going to do this very, very quickly, so there are going to be big blotches everywhere, but that doesn't matter. As I always say, it's just for the purpose of this video. So, I mean, you could have more than one colour up here if you wanted. You could have had green there and yellow there blended in, and the same down there. It's entirely up to you. You could have several colours all along. So I've finished with that. Now we'll go on to my yellow. I should have really put this on my stenciling and stamping platform to keep it in place, because it has a sticky sheet on the bottom, but if you hold it carefully like this, you should be okay. And it doesn't need to be perfect, because we're not doing anything that needs perfection or straight lines. So once you've done that, take off your masking tape. It should just come off, and there we go. That's all you need to do. And you can see you could, if you wanted, take that off there. If you wanted sort of larger hills and valleys, you could tear it like that. For a really pronounced jagged border, it's up to you. You could do that if you wanted. And then all you need to do is stamp it with whatever you like, colour it in how you like, add your whatever bling you like, whatever decorations you like. What I've done with these, I've backed the piece of white card that I've inked onto a coloured sheet, and then back that onto the card itself. So you've got like 3 layers, so you've got 2 borders around really. So that's all there is to it. It's as simple as that. Very easy, and they make very effective cards. You can do all kinds with this. So I hope that's been helpful. Nice quick video for you today. Thank you for staying with me, and have a great day. Bye bye now.